Hello people of the internet, DedZed here, and I'm going to be covering another fun thing with the VRC toggle system. Right now, we have three systems. We have surface hue, RGB, and orbs. And maybe there's a few things you want to adjust. Right now, they're just toggles. Every world you go into, you're going to have to toggle and mess around with them. So let's say you want your orbs to save between worlds. Click on options. You can save between worlds. We can do the same with the color that you saved between worlds. We just get that little fun thing down there. With another fun thing, we have our few other options in here called exclusive tags. Hold button, run animation on complete, protect with security, all that fun stuff. But right now, we're just making sure that our model is saved when you transfer between worlds. So now you're saved between worlds. There isn't much else I'm going to cover in this video. I'm just covered, okay, maybe you wanted stuff saved between worlds instead of it being broken and you have to toggle it on and off constantly. That's how you just toggle it between worlds. Hopefully that's helped everyone. And I'll catch everybody again very soon. Bye bye.